Hello, Talks for Let's Talk. Ana Cristina Mosquera Torres, English B1. Did you spend much money on your last trip? What is the first amount? On my last trip to Medellin, I didn't spend a lot of money. Obviously, I went to visit a beautiful place with all the conference. I think it was first amount. What is the most unknown food you have tried on a trip? The most unknown food you have tried on a trip has been cherry me. What are the most busier places or tourist attractions in your city? The most busier places in the city of Pereira have been the Kumari by Parque de Consulta Park and the Victoria Square. What was the most expensive place you visited in your city? The most expensive place I have visited in the city of Pereira has been the Villa Italia restaurant on the Circunvalar. A medium pizza cost 40,000 pesos. Eh, what was the cheapest place you visited in your city? The cheapest place I have been to visit in the city of Pereira Risaralda has been the Cerro de Cancel. Thank you.